Welcome to Fabricville. Today we're going to look at some tips to manage seam bulk and get neat finishes. When sewing two pieces together, you can trim both seam allowances to the same width, or just one, which is called grading the seam. When joining three layers, you can also grade them at three different thicknesses. For an outside corner, you can't just trim the seam allowances to make the corner lie flat. I cut the allowances on a 45-degree line from the edges, as close to the point as possible, then turn out the piece and press. For an inside corner, it's the same idea. The seam allowances don't allow for easy turning. I clip the allowances vertically right at the point of the V, then turn and press. When you want to join pieces matching the seams, there are two ways. Press open and align the seams. Then trim the corners at the seam intersection. You can also press the seam allowances in opposite directions so the seams lock together perfectly. That's called nesting the seams. Finally, let's look at curves. Here we're joining a concave piece to a convex piece. The seam allowances need adjusting to make the seam lie flat. For the concave side, I make clips to spread the fabric along the seam. For the convex side, there's too much fabric, so I make small V-shaped cuts to reduce bulk. And there you have it, a flat and neat seam. I hope these tips make your sewing look even better. Thanks for watching and see you soon!